Okay, good morning, everyone. Dr. Rajiv Kumar Panda, Associate Professor, APJ Institute of Mass Communication, and Organizing Secretary of this National Web Conference, on behalf of BREPS Educare Society, welcome you all to this one-day National Web Conference, Impact of COVID-19 in India, Issues, Challenges, and Opportunities. COVID-19 has prompted experts to rethink the conventional mode of education. Digital education appears to be a viable solution to fill in the void for classroom education for a period of 3 to 4 months, while minimizing the chances of any infection to students until classes resume. More importantly, it has also brought the peripheral issue of digital education in India to the center stage. Going forward, digital education is likely to be integrated into mainstream education. This will enable inclusive education by facilitating learning across diverse geographies in India. Moreover, it will provide an opportunity for educators to come up with customized learning solutions for every student. This one-day National Web Conference will throw some light on issues, challenges, and opportunities associated with this pandemic. For the inaugural session, to have more deliberation, we are pleased to have with us today Professor of Eminence Dr. Sunil Kant Behra, Professor Sanjeev Kumar Banabat, Professor W.A. Kaji, Professor Ajay Kumar, Professor Dr. Atish Parasar, Professor Suresh Chandra Nayak, Dr. Bipin Gaur, Professor Arun Jamini, Professor Sanjeev Sood, Dr. Mahendra Kumar Padhi, Dr. L.K. Tripathi, Dr. Amit Channa, and Dr. Rajesh Agrawal. Few professors have already joined, and few are, about to join us. It's my pleasure to welcome the faculty members, research scholars, paper presenters, and students from various colleges and universities, and industry from across India who are here today to attend the web conference. I would like to mention, name of our organizers, Rahul Mittal, Bharat Banga, Dr. Vipul Mudgal, Dr. Rohtas Kumar, Dr. Sambhu Saran Gupta, working tirelessly to make this happen today. I would also like to thank our publishing partners, IJAEMA Journal, JICR Journal, print media partner Ghaziabad Voice, Newspaper Association of India, broadcast partner ASBN Radio, social service partner Rekhankit Foundation, telecast partner East News, creative partner Isan Arts and Production LLP. So in the beginning, now I request Dr. Rajesh Agrawal, President BREPS Educare Society Delhi, to give welcome address. Dr. Rajesh Agrawal, please.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning to all our respected guests, participants, and BREPS team. I, Dr. Rajesh Agrawal, HOD, Technical Institute of Advanced Studies, New Delhi. On behalf of BREPS Society, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Professor Sunil Kant Behra, our patron, Professor Dr. W.A. Kaji, and our guest of honors, Professor Sanjeev Banabat, Professor Sanjeev Sood, Professor Dr. Atish Parasar, Professor Arun Jamini, Professor Dr. Ajay Kumar Rathore, Professor Suresh Chandra Nayak, Dr. Mahendra Kumar Padhi, Dr. L.K. Tripathi, Dr. Vipin Gaur, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Panda, and Dr. Amit Channa, who graced the inaugural session of the web conference entitled Impact of COVID-19 in India, Issues, Challenges, and Opportunities. Next, I would like to welcome Professor Ritu Sood, Professor Nalin Nigam, Dr. Sambhu Saran Gupta, Dr. Deepak Srivastav, Dr. K. Nasin Badusa, Dr. Anil Jharotia, Dr. S. Shyam Sundar Rao, Dr. Mangeram, Professor Rashmi Gujarati, Professor Dr. Manisha, Dr. Rohtas Kumar, Professor Dr. Arun Bhatia, who are the chairpersons, co-chairpersons, moderators, and key speakers of the 3 technical sessions. Further, I would like to welcome to key scholars and paper presenters in the technical session who are the special guests of the web conference. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Sanjeev Giri, Mr. Piyush Datta, Dr. Vani Majumdar, Mr. Ankit Kumar Kaur, Dr. Subodak Diotri, Professor Dr. Anjani Kumar Jha, Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma, Dr. Vipul Pratap, Mr. Rahul Mittal, Mr. Bharat Banga, who are the stars of the validity session. Now, not taking much time, I would like to discuss how the idea was conceived to organize this conference. In first round of lockdown, I was discussing with Mr. Rahul Mittal on a research paper entitled COVID-19 and Indian lifestyle. We observed that the what suggestions are given by the international authorities to avoid coronavirus, such as maintaining of a respectful distance, put a cloth or mask on the face covering mouth and nose while going to outside, and while entering in the house, keep footwear outside the doors and properly wash our hands with soap and water, maintain good immunity system. When affected with a disease, quarantine yourself to avoid spread in disease. These all are already practicing in Indian lifestyle in our day-to-day life. In city life, maybe some are fading out from daily practices, but still, these are continuing in many areas of our country. Suddenly, an idea was floated in our mind that why not we can organize a web conference on this topic. And now the idea is on ground in front of you. I am feeling a great honor and pleasure for the gracious presence of eminent guests to share their valuable ideas and thoughts. Now, with the blessings to the success of this conference, I would like to rest my voice to further continue the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Agarwal, for your welcome remarks.